Hey, we'll do a quick review on these hemp common chews. They're from Positive Pets. I have an English Springer, and he gets a little anytime he's got to go for a ride in the truck, he gets a little nervous, or if we're gonna leave, if we have to go somewhere for a while out of town or something, we'll give him a few of these or something. But they're really small. See how tiny they are. And there's 120 soft chews in this container. It depends how many you give them. It depends on the size of your dog. So any dog over 60 pounds, you would give 40s a day. But a dog that's under 10, you only give them one, and medium dogs will be in between. But it'll have on the back by the weight tell you how many chews to give them. So like I said, my dog, he's over 60 pounds, so he'll get 40s a day. There's 120 in a container, so it'll last a month. And for a little small dog under 10 pounds, this will last 4 months or longer. I mean, we don't give him these every day. Just when his anxiety gets up a little bit, he gets a little nervous. They've worked really good, and I know this brand here, Positive Pets, they make a lot of other um, supplements and vitamins and stuff we give our dogs. So, but if you're looking for a good brand to use, and try these hemp common chews from Positive Pets. I highly recommend them. I think you'll like them. I know we do.